Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Toyota Prius tail light. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. Next, open the rear hatch and find the two small plastic covers inside the trunk. Gently pry these covers off to reveal the mounting bolts underneath. This initial step is crucial for accessing the tail light assembly. With the covers removed, use your 10mm socket wrench to loosen and remove the two mounting bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the car's body. Be careful not to force it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling the two halves apart. This frees the light. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: working on your car can be thirsty work. Stay hydrated with an Owala water bottle, perfect for keeping your drink cold while you tackle those repairs. Check the description for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Before completely removing the light, double-check that all clips are disengaged to avoid damage. Once free, take a moment to inspect your old tail light for any cracks or wear. It's also a good idea to clean the mounting area on your car before installing a new or replacement tail light. This ensures a proper fit and seal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.